Hello everyone, today I will show you how to rotate an image in a PDF file using PDF element. I will rotate this image now. First select edit option. Now select edit all and select image. Now click on this image and click right button and select properties. Also here you will find this rotate option. Just go properties option and this is rotate option. Rotate it clockwise and say this, and this is counterclockwise. Also I rotate this image, click here, I rotate right and this is rotate left. In this way you can rotate all of this image on your PDF file. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.